Hey there, guys. How's it going? And what we're going to talk about today is the Refresh Plus Lubricant Eye Drops. Now, I have always had like an issue with getting dry eyes, like during, like, say, the fall or the winter. A lot of times the wind will start kicking up, and it just makes, when it's really windy, and it makes the air kind of dry. The wind really dries out everything, and it just makes your eyes kind of feel scratchy and dry. I've always had an issue with that, like ever since I was in high school, and always, it caused my eyes to be red, and it made it so you just didn't want to go outside sometimes because it would be just make your eyes really dry. So I would use drops, and I've used various kinds, and I found the Refresh Plus. And what you would do is, in this box comes about 30 of these, and all you do is, the chemical is inside here, this part here, and all you do is twist off this cap here. You twist this off, and then you get like just a tip right here, and then you would turn this over onto your eye, and right above your eye, and just put a few drops, like about maybe 2 or 3 drops in there, or you can use, sometimes if it's not too bad, you can just put 1, but I put 2 to 3 drops in there, and voila, quickly it works. You feel lubricated, your eyes feel like refreshed again. It lasts for a while. You won't have to use this again for at least about, maybe, I think I went up probably around maybe 5 hours. Then I had to put some more. It works very well. It keeps them nice and lubricated, and the dryness is just, gone after that. Really good. This brand, actually, this kind has been around for quite a while. I've used it for probably like 3 years. Yeah, and it's for mild and moderate dry eyes also. One thing to know is, if you wear contact lenses and you have the dry eye issue, you'd want to use this in your eyes before you put your contacts in. Okay, it's just better. To use it with your contacts in it at the same time is just not good. You won't get the same effect. It's just better to take your contacts out, put these drops in, or before you even put your contacts in the morning or whatever, and then take your contacts out and put the drops in, and then let it take effect, and then put your contacts in. That's the best and safest way to use this if you wear contacts. Yeah, I know that a lot of people have an issue with dry eye, especially in areas where I live. It gets really dry sometimes. If you're in an area where the humidity is, you really don't really have that kind of problem. Where it's very windy, just dry sometimes, without even the wind, you get, problems. It's also good if you have, like, sometimes during the spring, wind blows and you get pollen and stuff in your eyes, and your eyes start to itch, because of, just stuff in the air. This helps with that too. Yeah, this is very good. I got turned on to it by a sister who actually started using it on her own, and she suggested that I use it because there was one evening where one of my eyes, just one, was itchy and dry, and I really needed to actually use something, and it was really bothering me. She suggested that, and I tried it right then and there, and it worked. It really did, and I've been using it ever since. I used a different kind before, and I didn't have it with me, but I found that this one worked better than the one I was using. Yeah, it works very well, and I like it a lot. I'm glad my sister turned me on to it, and I've been using it ever since. I don't have to use it all the time, but when it does kick up the wind and everything, and my eyes get dry, I use this. Probably maybe twice or 3 times a month. All right, well, we've been talking about the Refresh Plus Lubricant Eye Drops. Hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.